In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a bid on eBay as seller. If you need to remove a bid from one of your eBay listings, the process is fairly simple once you know where to find the right page. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without getting lost. First, sign into your eBay account and go to the top of the page. From there, hover your mouse over My eBay. This opens the account menu where you can access your seller tools and listing options. When that menu appears, click on Selling. This takes you into the seller area of your eBay account, where you can manage listings, activity, and other important selling actions. Once you're on the selling page, look for the shortcuts section and scroll until you can see it clearly. The shortcuts area is helpful because it gives you quick access to common seller tasks without needing to search through multiple menus. Inside that section, click on Cancel Bids. This opens the page specifically designed for sellers who need to remove a bidder from an auction listing. Make sure you're on the correct listing before entering any details, since canceling a bid affects a live auction. On the Cancel Bid form, start by entering the item number. This is the unique number assigned to the eBay listing where the bid was placed. It's important to enter it carefully so the request applies to the correct item. Next, enter the bidder's username in the username field. Double check the spelling before moving on, because even a small typo could cause problems or prevent the request from going through properly. After that, choose the reason for the cancellation from the available options. Be sure to select the reason that best matches your situation. This helps eBay process the action correctly and keeps your account activity accurate. Once everything has been filled out, click Submit. That sends your request to eBay and completes the bid cancellation process. As a final tip, take a moment to review all the information before submitting, especially the item number and username. Accuracy matters here, and checking those details can save you from having to fix mistakes later. And that's how to cancel a bid on eBay as a seller. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to complete the process quickly and with confidence.